Hi everyone, I am Anna. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make purl linen increases from the bar between two stitches. They are called M1RP, make one right purlwise or purl, and M1LP, make one left purlwise or purl. They could be made, for example, on the wrong side of stockinette fabric, or as an invisible increase in reverse stockinette on the right side of your knit fabric. I used these types of linen increases in the yoke of this tee, in those separating rounds which I knitted, which I purled. I made those linen increases, so I made them invisible. You don't really see where stitches were increased. So I made them from both sides of pattern repeat to make it increased symmetrically and evenly. And take a look at the swatch. It's been increased from both sides of the central stitch by make one right purl and make one left purl. Those are two stitches. These go to the right. From the wrong side they make one left. And those stitches on the right side goes to the left. On the wrong side they make one purl because it's opposite. As I always say, if you want to lean the stitch to the right, work it through the front loop. And if you want to lean it to the left, work it through the back loop. This method works a twisted stitch. So let's get close to the make one right purlwise. So we need to pick up this bar and knit and purl a twisted stitch which will be leaned to the right. So we need to purl it through the front loop. But also we need to avoid a hole. So we need to make this stitch twisted. So we pull our left needle from back to front on this bar, under this bar, and we purl this stitch on the front loop. Let's do it once more. From the back to front. So the right leg of this stitch is on the back, and we need to work left leg like front loop to avoid the hole. And now let's make one left purlwise. So to make it left linen, we need to knit it, we need to purl it through the back loop, and also we need to avoid the hole, so we need to make it twisted. So we are doing it like this. We are inserting our needle from front to back under this bar between two stitches, and having our right leg of our new loop on the front, but to make it twisted we purl it through the back loop. Yeah, it's not very convenient, unfortunately, but everything good needs sacrifices. Let's do it once more. So, making a left linen purl increase, we insert our needle between bar, under the bar between two stitches, from front to back, and we purl this stitch on the back loop. So those are stitches which we just now increased. Let's see how to knit them. So this is just a regular stitch, and as long as I'm working flat and I'm continental, I knit it through the back loop. Central one, and this also just a regular stitch. I just knit it through the back loop. So that's how this increases look from the right side, and that's how they look from the wrong side. That's all for today. Thanks for watching it. Follow my channel for more tutorials. Have a great day. See you.